Cambodia, nestled in Southeast Asia, boasts ancient wonders and vibrant culture. The iconic Angkor Wat, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to its rich history. Its lush landscapes include the Mekong River and the Cardamom Mountains. Phnom Penh, the capital, embodies a blend of tradition and modernity. Cambodia's resilience shines through its recovery from the Khmer Rouge regime as it rebuilds and progresses. The nation thrives on its diverse cuisine, traditional dance forms like Apsara, and warm-hearted people. While facing socio-economic challenges, Cambodia's enduring spirit and remarkable heritage continue to shape its dynamic identity on the global stage. Top 10 places to visit in Cambodia. 1. Angkor Wat. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is an architectural marvel and the largest religious monument in the world. The ancient temple complex of Angkor Wat and its intricate carvings are a testament to Cambodia's glorious past. 2. Siem Reap. The gateway to Angkor Wat, Siem Reap is a vibrant town offering a mix of traditional markets, modern restaurants, and a lively nightlife. The Angkor National Museum and Cambodian Cultural Village are also worth exploring. 3. Phnom Penh. The capital city showcases Cambodia's historical and contemporary side. Visit the Royal Palace, the Silver Pagoda, and the tragic yet essential Tuol Sleng Genocide Museum for insight into the Khmer Rouge regime. 4. Sihanoukville and Islands. For beach lovers, Sihanoukville offers stunning sandy shores and access to nearby islands like Koh Rong and Koh Rong Samlong, perfect for relaxation, water sports, and beach parties. 5. Battambang, a charming city known for its French colonial architecture and art scene. The bamboo train and Fair Ponlu Sailpak Circus are unique attractions to experience. 6. Kampot and Kep. These towns are famous for their serene riverside setting, pepper plantations, Kampot pepper, and the stunning Boka National Park. Kep is also renowned for its seafood. 7. Preah Vihear, a remote temple perched on a cliff, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into Cambodia's religious history. The journey here is an adventure itself. 8. Banteay Srei, another stunning temple near Siem Reap, known for its intricate pink sandstone carvings. It's often referred to as the Citadel of Women due to its delicate beauty. 9. Koh Ker. This lesser-known archaeological site boasts a unique pyramid temple and remote jungle surroundings, providing a sense of exploration and tranquility. 10. Koh Kong. For nature enthusiasts, Koh Kong offers lush rainforests, waterfalls, and ecotourism opportunities, including exploring the nearby Cardamom Mountains. Which city do you want next? Thanks for watching.